Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Smart Technical Trader. So again, I welcome you all in the new session of weekly stocks selection. So here I'm going to talk about different sort of stocks which is either has given breakout or which is on the verge of giving breakout. So it will be a mix of both, so you can take your trade accordingly. All the levels will be given. Particularly whenever I am trading, I am taking all the steps very carefully, particularly considering the stop loss. So usually whenever we have position in any sort of equity stocks, we always tend to ignore the stop loss, and then when market is sharply falling as it is happening nowadays, so it's being kind of choppy where it is going up and then coming down sharply. So it might happen that if you have not put up the stop loss, it might eat your capital as well. And you know that in order to sustain in this market, it's very important to stay there in the market, and obviously with the capital that I'm talking about. So let me first talk about the first stock that we have in our today's selection. So that first stock is Chola Fin. So this Chola Fin has given a very nice breakout just when because I'm recording this video. Till that time it might happen it had either gone up or came down. You can just check it out, but this stock is very good in that term. So you can see over here around 667 it has given a breakout, already given a breakout when I am recording it on 7th Feb. So what you can do, you can plan your trade where you are putting up your stop loss at around 625 or 26, where you are having approximately 40 rupees of stop loss, which is 5 to 6%, and then upside you have good potential. Accordingly you can exit. So you can take the target from here to here. So the difference, if you see, is somewhere around 200 points. So from here 200 points target will be approximately around 850 or 900. So accordingly you can exit. You can take monetary exit well as well. So you don't have to wait for the 900 or 850 target. You can exit in between as well if you feel like your target is achieved. So this is something which is very important. Another thing, I have already drawn different sort of divergence lines. So if you are aware of that, what is divergence, you can just google it out. You can watch some of the videos as well, where you'll understand it. But I have drawn it over here, and it is giving positive signal or bullish signal, which is basically confirming this trade to take. So you can make this for this stock position along accordingly, according to your capital what you have. Then the second stock that is there, which has already given the breakout on daily chart, as you can see it. So this chart was also daily chart, Chola Fin, and then you have Saturn, and this stock has already given breakout at around 944. So this is what is the price currently it is having. So you can see the accumulated volume is very high, along with the RSI which is above 60, which means that it is very bullish. So again the target will be almost the same from this level, which is around 700 to 940, which is around 240 points. You can put up 240 points from here, and you can get approximately 1060 or 1050 as a final target. You can put the stop loss over here, which is basically 915 or 917 according to your capital requirement. You can do the position sizing, and you can take positions accordingly. So this is basically both the stocks that I have discussed is for swing as well as positional. So you can take a swing trade as well. By taking 5-10% profit, you can come out, and then again you can re-enter it, or you can hold the position till it is achieving the target according to its setup, it according to its breakout. Now the last stock that I have today is Karvy. So this is a bank, and you know that this nowadays banks are going very bullish. So we can see it has already given a very beautiful breakout with very strong value volume over here, and it has crossed the 60 as well. And then what happened? It came down finally, which is known as retracement. So whenever some stocks is giving breakout and then it is coming down at the same level, which is around over here 52 rupees or 51 rupees. So that is known as retracement, and once it is retracing from this level, it can again go back from here to here minimum, and then if it is crossing this level, then another trade, which is breakout trade, will active, and then you can take trade accordingly. So from here 51 to 56, that is your first target, and then from 56 to 60, that is your second target. So you can plan accordingly, whatever is suitable to you according to your capital, and definitely you can enter in this trade. So that's it. This is basically three different trades that we have, and according to your capital, you can take this position, but don't forget to put a stop loss. That's why it's very important to put stop loss. And in this case, you can put stop loss from here, which is around 49 rupees. So 2-3 rupees of stop loss, and you have 5-6 rupees or 10 rupees as a upper margin or upper profit level. So you can book accordingly. So just you can enter at your own risk. Again, that is the basically declaration that I just want to say. It's just a discussion. It's just that how to take the trade, how to draw things, how to understand the charts, and how to see the breakouts. That sort of things you can understand from my videos. So thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next videos next week, and let's understand more breakout stocks, and let's trade more breakout stocks as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys.